Time to plant up all the geraniums for all the window pots. I've got 36 window pots and various other unusual brocante vines, which we will be planting up today and getting ready, and also some cut-ins that Ian's done that we're going to bring on into bigger pots. Glorious, glorious day. Beautiful. The Judas tree is just beginning to flower in the distance. I'll send more photos of that later. Getting the potager ready as well. Have a lovely weekend, everybody. And here they are in full bloom in our beautiful window pots. These ones change from bright pink there, and they fade and they go lighter pink with dark veins, which are beautiful.